Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can send money to UPI using the TapTap Send app without any fees. So let's get started. Now, first off, once you open up your TapTap Send app, you can use the promo code from the description below and input it right here to get $15, euros or pounds on your transfer with TapTap Send. So you get that money additionally on the money that you're sending. So don't miss that opportunity to get some extra funds. Now, once you're here, just go ahead and select India in this country menu right here. After that, you would need to input the amount of funds that you would like to transfer. So let's say 10 euros. Next up, you would just need to tap on Next. From here, you would need to add a recipient, so just go ahead and select that. And here you have the option for a UPI account. Now you would just need to select UPI, and here you would just need to paste the recipient's UPI ID. Once you have the UPI ID pasted, go ahead and tap on Check Details. And then you would need to input the name of the recipient. After you inputted both the name and the UPI ID of the person that you're trying to send money to, you can go ahead and tap on Next. Then you will be on the transfer screen. So on this screen you have one last chance to input the promo code and get $15 extra on your transfer. So the promo code is PREM2208, and then you just tap on Enter. Now, after you inputted the promo code, you can tap on Pay with Google Pay, or you can choose a payment method that you want. So to do this, you just need to scroll down, and right here under the payment method, just go ahead and tap on Change right here. Then you would be able to select a debit card or Google Pay. But I suggest Google Pay as it doesn't have any fees associated, so you would be able to make this transfer completely for free. Now, once you selected the payment method, you can go back and just tap on Pay right here, and your transfer will be made to that person's UPI account in India. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.